Tired of unknown people calling you on X? I'm Emily, and today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to disable calls on X. Let's get started. First, open X. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on Direct Messages. Disable the option for audio calling and video calling. Or simply, you can also choose people who can call you, like verified users, people that you follow, or everyone. And that is how to disable unknown call on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.